mahambiri yabo ashobora rero ko gavumenti iri kuguma netema embarira yabo icyari kugira ngo n'icakabikamani
budget in our directorate in your ministry. In fact, of recent in the last budget, the special grant was reduced to 3 billion until we made a lot of noise and we went up to the office of the speaker and through our able state minister and together with you, the budget has been revised and has been put back. But we have a fear that if this kind of trend continues, there is an aim of removing this special grant from us.
Buringo ngogumaye onebo atani Joyce agize ngo abantu Abaine oburemu bengi munongo mu ihanga wagerageranisa n'embarirero kandi cyakabikamani naboro munonga Beitotereho no kugira ngo tubaganyura mu ntekateka za government zitari zimwe na zimwe iziri kutebwaho kutungura abanyayuganda.
When you are poor, even if you have good ideas, where will you put it? We need these people to be empowered. Increase for us money for special grant, increase for us money for yoga, increase for us our percentage in PTN.
Ori mnyeshegera Bwakasari South Honorable Nathan Itungo ashobora irengwa kintu cy'bimanonga no kugira ngo abantu abenje abarukora sente uteriho na za banka bagaya abantu Abaine oburema hambiri yabo banga kubahora sente ikiri kubaretera baba boro munongo mu ihanga.
We should have a second thought on giving us a school for people with disabilities. Abanyakashari n'abanyambarara n'abanyigambara minister w'abantu Abaine oburema hambiri abantu kuza sente abantu bohereza sente bakuteekateeka cyo kwara tubakimanya none twera ministry ibateekateeka okumuwambasa funa sente akukuba sente ziriyo myonga na PDM zikubayamba akukuba n'abatwara omugrupe baabo.
Ibyo bikiri aho Honorable Flavia Kabahenda uri umyeshingiro mucyara wa district ya Tegegwa ashobora rero ko government yanagayijire Route Rehabilitation Center yari kugira ngo bwahateri yo mu mberambe munonga aturko kuterera government omuranga kurebeka ngo yimukiramu yabasa kunduza umwanyogo.
From Kisoro up to where Toro borders with Europe. And you can imagine how the students walk distances to Ruti. Madam Minister, unfortunately, whenever food is unavailable at Ruti, they tell the students to first go back home until food is found and then they come back. The student coming from Kisoro needs transport to first go back to Kisoro and wait for food to come and then use another transport to come back. Madam Minister, I think we are just being unfair to the already marginalized people.
Honorable Minister Betty Among ngo kushobora ko government iri netekateka kutereza umwanyogo abo kubeka gutaho ukubasa kureberera bimuga.
All the members of parliament who have requested that skilling is important, rehabilitation center is important. I know Ruti is limited and the issue of food and support to the institution remains a challenge. We are working hard to ensure that we request additional budget for it.
Ati nko kwamza abantu bona Abaine oburema hambiri yabo ku government iri kubatekateka ho kandi rukoresha kubasika cyona urebeka ngo amagara gabo gabasa kuba marunji.
The partners, when you look at all those banners, those are partners, those are NGOs that are working closely to make sure that the issues of persons with disability are included. So I want to emphasize that persons with disability deserve to be protected, to be included in all government policies. And I thank the technical team from the Ministry of Gender that continues to work and organize and ensure that all the issues that requires amending, handling, taking to cabinet, taking to parliament.
Akuraga gasha kwa Stephen Mujini aba Sky TV agenshonga muri Mbarara.